Okay, welcome viewers. This is question and answer program of Start for Management 1 on chapter 1. The direction is choose the best answer. The first question is a random variable is best described as dash. A function assigned numerical value to outcomes. B, a list of all possible sample points in an experiment. C, a method for measuring continuous outcome only. D, a rule for organizing probability table uniformly. The answer for this question is a function assigning numerical value to outcome. Question number 2. If x is discrete random variable with values xi and probability pi, then the expected value is computed by dash. A summation of xi multiply pi, xi times probability I. B, summation of pi minus xi. C, summation of xi divided by pi. D, summation of xi plus pi. The answer for this question is A, summation of xi multiplied by pi. That means the product of each value with its probability and adding all these product, and the sum is expected value. Question number 3. A company wanted to forecast customer satisfaction score which range continuously between 0 and 1. Which approach best ensures realistic continuous modeling of customer satisfaction? A, considering only a score above 1. B, recording only whole number rating, example 0 or 1. C, assigning equal probability to a fixed set of ratings. D, generating satisfaction score using uniform distribution across 0 to 1. The answer for this question is D, generating satisfaction score using a uniform distribution across 0 to 1. Question number 4. If x is continuous, the probability of a less than x less than b represents dash. A, the area under cover between a and b. B, the count of outcome between a and b. C, the sum of probability for all discrete points. D, the number of trial required for x to occur. The answer for this question is A, the area under the cover between A and B. Question number 5. The expected number of smokers passing a corner in 10 minutes is 5. What is the parameter lambda for a Poisson model? What is the parameter lambda for a Poisson model? A, lambda which is equal to 5. B, lambda which is equal to 10. C, lambda which is equal to 0.5. D, lambda which is equal to 50. So here the interval is 10 minutes. The expected number of smoker is in 10 minutes 5. So the calculation that expected lambda, which is equal to expected number of events in a given interval. So the lambda is 5. So the answer is A. Question number 6. Which of the following is a discrete random variable? A. The lifetime of machine part. B. The exact weight of a newborn. C. The number of calls received today. D. The temperature at midday. The answer for this question is C. The number of calls received today. Question number 7. A fair coin is tossed 3 times. The probability of x is equal to 2 head is equal to dash. A. 2 out of 8 favorable outcome. B. 1 out of 8 favorable outcome. C. 3 out of 8 favorable outcome. D. 4 out of 8 favorable outcome. To calculate this, first we have to know the total number of outcome. The formula to calculate the total outcome is equal to the power of n. So the number of observation, the number of events for a single coin toss is 3. So n is 3. So here to the power of 3, which is equal to 8. On the other hand, we have to find the event that we are interested. That is exactly 2 head. So to calculate this, we have to use combination. 3 combination 2, which is equal to 3. So the probability of 2 head is equal to 3 over 8. So the answer is C. Question number 8. Poisson distribution is appropriate when events dash. A. Occur rarely and independently in time. B. Always have the same fixed outcomes. C. Have probability depending on order. D. Occur at equal interval with certainty. The answer for this question is A. Occur rarely and independently in time. Question number 9. Which situation violates binomial assumption? A. Counting head in repeated fair coin toss. B. Drawing cards without replacing from a deck. C. Testing identical components for defects. D. Asking the respondents a yes or no question. The answer for this question is B. Drawing cards without replacement from a deck. Question number 10. Poisson approximates the binomial when dash. A. Probability of success is moderate. B. The number of trial is small but unknown. C. The probability is small and n is large. D. The trial produce continuous result. The answer for this question is C. The probability is small and n is large. Question number 11. A normal distribution is completely described by dash. A. Mode and number of intervals. B. Median and interquartile range. C. Mean and standard deviation. D. Proportion and sample variance. The answer for this question is C. Mean and standard deviation. Question number 12. If variance x is equal to 0, the correct interpretation is dash. A. All observations are equal to the same value. B. Observations are spread widely from the mean. C. Only few observations occur repeatedly. D. Observation must follow a left skewed form. The answer for this question is A. All observations are equal to the same value. Question number 13. A company tracks the delivery time of its couriers, which follow a normal distribution with a mean of 16 minutes and a standard deviation of 4 minutes. Management wanted to know the probability that a delivery takes less than 80 minutes. How should they calculate this probability? To calculate this probability, we have to apply the Z or normal distribution. So here the mean is 60, standard deviation is 4, and the management of the probability that a delivery task is less than 18. So we can apply the z-score which is equal to each of the observation deducting the mean divided by the standard deviation. So here z, which is equal to 68 minus 60 divided by 4, which is equal to 2. Then look up the probability of D is less than 2 in standard normal table. So the about 0.9772, meaning 97.7% of the deliveries are complete within 68 minutes. So the answer is A. Divide 18 by the density at 60. No, small. The sum are frequency between 68. No. C. Cover 16 8 in a Z score and use the normal distribution table. Okay. 6. Use the appropriate discrete outcomes. The answer is C. Convert 68 into a Z score and use the normal distribution table. So we have calculated like that. Okay. Question number 14. Which statement about continuous distribution is correct? A. Probability are found using curve heights. B. Probability refers to the area under curves. B. The probability refers to the area under curves. C. Single point probability must equal 1. D. The value occur at a fixed and countable steps. The answer is B. The probability refers to the area under the curves. Question number 15. A company wanted to model customer satisfaction score that ranging continuously between 0 dissatisfied and 1 very satisfied. 0 very dissatisfied and 1 very satisfied. Which method be ensure the realistic simulation of this score? A. Use a generator that produce only whole number rating 0 or 1. B. Use a uniform random number generator to produce values anywhere between 0 and 1. C. Use fixed list of rates and assign equal probability to each. Use a repeating deterministic sequence of ratings. So the answer is B. Use uniform random number generator to produce value anywhere between 0 and 1. Question number 16. A Poisson random variable is characterized by dash. A mean equal to its variance value. B. A fixed number of identical trials. C. Equal chance of all least outcomes. D. A distribution symmetric about 0. The answer is A mean equal to its variance value. Question number 17. If the average number of misprint per page is 3, then in Poisson dash A, the value 3 must be only outcome. B, the distribution must be symmetric. C, the parameter lambda equal that average. D, the distribution become binomial. The answer for this question is C, the parameter lambda equals the average. Question number 18. The standard normal distribution has dash. A, variance equal to 0. B, mean equal to 1. C, mean equal to 0. D, standard deviation equal to 0. The answer is C, mean equal to 0. Question number 19. A situation is not suitable for Poisson if dash. A, events occur independently in time. B, the average rate stay constant. C, the event probability is very high. D, counts refers fixed interval. The answer for this question is C, the event's probability is very high. Question number 20. For continuous x, the probability A between B or A less than x less than B represents A, the exact height of the curve at point A. B, the difference between A and B only. C, the area under the cover between A and B. D, the number of value between A and B. So the answer is C, the area under the cover between A and B. Question number 21. If the average number of the accident at an intersection per day is lambda, which is equal to 2, which distribution should be used to model the number of accidents per day? A, Poisson. B, binomial. C, normal. D, exponential. The answer for this question is A, Poisson. Question number 22. Which method would you use to find probability of x less than 50 for a normal variable with known mean and standard deviation? A, convert x to z and use z table. B, count all discrete values below 50. C, multiply mean and standard deviation directly. D, assume uniform distribution. The answer is A, convert x to z value or z score and use z table. This is all about today's presentation. Thank you for attending this program.